Today we're going to revise map scales and simple conversion scales. A map. We have a scale so we can find out what the real distance is by looking at the map. The scale may be written in simple conversion scale where 1 centimeter represents 100 meters. In real life, the scale is always set up with the map value first compared to the real life RL value second. If we measured the distance from the star to the treasure and we find out that that is 2 centimeters, we can work out the real life value by multiplying it 100 and getting that the real life values is 200 meters. But how did you do that? You may be asking yourself. Well, we're going to have to remind ourselves of what we did earlier in the year. Do you remember when we did measurement, I showed you how to do conversions? Well, that's exactly what I did. The things that you have to remember is to convert from kilometers to meters, you have to multiply by 1,000. To convert from meters to centimeters, you have to multiply by 100. And to convert from centimeters to millimeters, you have to multiply by 10. If you want to do the reverse, so if you want to go from millimeters to centimeters, you need to divide by 10. From centimeters to meters, you have to divide by 100. And from meters to kilometers, you have to divide by 1,000. And that's what I did. I multiplied by 100, giving me the 200 meters. Some maps, however, give us a scale still mapped to real life as a ratio, such as 1 to 10,000. Well, what does that mean? Well, what this says is that one of any units is equals to 10,000 of the same units in real life. So if that's 1 centimeters on the map, it will be 10,000 centimeters in real life. If it is millimeters, then the other one will also be millimeters. We can convert from a simple conversion scale, like the one we have here, to a map scale. The way we do it, always we have to remember that this is the map and this is real life. Convert one of the units so both units are the same. As this one is already 1 centimeter, the easiest way would be to convert this one to centimeters. So we have 1 centimeter, and now all we have to do is to convert the 500 meters to centimeters. To do that, all we need to do is to multiply it by 100. Now multiplying by 100 means just adding 2 zeros to it. So now they both have centimeters. Now all we have to do is get rid of the centimeters, or get rid of the units, and then write it as a ratio, 1 to 50,000. And now we have done the whole conversion. The map scale says that one of every unit on the map is equals to 50,000 of the same unit in real life. We can convert from map scale to simple conversion scale, which is a lot simpler to deal with. Now we have to always remember that the first number is going to be our map and our second number is going to be real life. Let's put some units in. Let's pick centimeter for this example. So we're going to have 1 centimeter to 125,000 centimeters. This is an easy conversion in some way, but no one actually gives you 125 centimeters in real life. So what we need to do is to use a more user-friendly units to do. So let's try kilometers. So all we have to do is we need to go to meters first, and we do that by dividing by 100. That means we're gonna get rid of 2 of these zeros, and then from meters to kilometers we are going to divide by 1,000, so we're going to get rid of 3. So our final answer is going to be 1 centimeters is equal to 1.25 kilometers in real life. With the graphical scale, what you have to do is you first read the scale and you see that each one of these intervals is 5 kilometers. Then you place your ruler and you actually read the distance between these 2 measurements. Now usually that is going to be 1 centimeter. So you know that 1 centimeter is going to be the same as 5 kilometers in real life. Now that is your explicit scale, and all you have to do now is to do the conversion to ratio. To convert to a ratio, you get rid of the units and you have to remember that 5 kilometers, to convert them to centimeters, we first have to multiply it by 1,000 and then we multiply by 100. So this scale, the map scale is going to be 1 to 500,000. Map work is my favorite. All you have to do is read the scale of the map. In this particular map, it says that 1 centimeter or 1 unit in the map is 5 units in real life. So if we assume that from point C to point B, I measure that it is 6 centimeters, we need to work out how much is the distance in real life. And all we actually have to do, because it's 1 to 5, is multiply 6 times 5 to gives me 30. So that is 30 centimeters in real life. Very simple.